how to edit the title of your site. So if you don't like the title of site on WordPress, come in here, go to settings, go to general. So we want to change this. Client wanted Goodyear, not Litchfield Park. So let's change this, get rid of that and go Goodyear. Make sure that's good. Okay, so that's good. We changed that in there. Tagline, hit save changes, and it's that simple. Right, and now you can see at the top of the site, it's just how we change in settings. You can go into writing, make sure all of these are good too. This is where in settings or reading, this is where it's set the home page versus the blog page. We're using static pages here. Discussions, media, permalinks. This is good from an SEO standpoint. You go post name, so it actually shows the post name of what you post or your content. So it's a little better from an SEO friendly standpoint, and that's good. Yeah, so to change your site title, your tagline is you just do that. In the Divi builder thing, if you want to go into theme options, you can also go into the SEO of it, and you can click homepage SEO and homepage custom title, meta descriptions, homepage meta keywords, right? You can do that in there. So if I want to go Botox, window, filler, Goodyear, that's just Goodyear, med, spa, good year. You want to be more specific. You could do med spa, but obviously from a national standpoint, you want to rank specifically for your location area. If you have a location in Goodyear or Scottsdale or Phoenix or Oregon, wherever, you type that. Some custom title here, you can put that in there, and then keywords. Oops, this is supposed to be in here, not above here. So you can add your keywords, your meta descriptions, all that, and you can have that, and you can just hit save changes there. And that's how you make those edits if you have a Divi builder, but otherwise you go into settings, general, and change your site title and all that. It's that simple. Hopefully that was helpful. Take care.